Good morning, students. Today we are going to study 11th class first poem, A Photograph, written by Shirley Tulson. Okay, we know that poet is already giving her personal feelings. She is also giving a warm tribute to her mother. And in this poem, poet is already describing three things such as poet shows mother standing in seashore enjoying the holidays, and her two cousins girls with her. She was around 12 years old at that time. See the poem. Just I will read that poem. See, A Photograph. Poet name Shirley Tulson. The cardboard was the cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of her mother's hand, and she is big girl, somewhat 12 years or so. All three stood still, the smile through their hair at the uncle with a camera, a sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terrible transcend feet. See, the poet is already giving a small picture of her mother's childhood. You see that a cardboard shows her home. Who? The Shirley Tulson is a poet. Find out a cardboard from her home. In that cardboard there is a photo, and that poet was found a cardboard in her house. It was an old photograph. In this photo there were two girls cousins with her, each one of them holding the mother's hand. Then she was a girl of somewhat 12 years old. They were walking in the shallow water. Shallow water means not a deep water. And with a barefoot near the beach. Poet and their cousins, two cousins, girl cousins, they are already walking along the seashore. Then their feet was washing by the waves, and they were already walking in the shallow water. Shallow means not a deep water. Then there was an uncle who is carrying the camera, and then a sweet face of mother's, what before I was born. The poet is already telling that before I was born, my mother's sweet face I can see from that photograph. So this is and the sea which appears have changed less. The sea कोई changes ज़्यादा नहीं है, फिर भी ये फोटो देखने से फोटो में washed their terrible transcend feet. Okay, there when they are walking along the seaside, their feet also washing by the sea water. So it is also a changed something, but they now become a grown up people. So the poet is already telling that the mother was standing in the middle. That photo is already explaining this way. Mother was standing, she was the elder one, so she is standing in the middle. Other two are standing just both side and holding the hands too. Their name is called Betty and Dolly. Their two cousins were there. Their name was Dolly and Betty or dolly, and there is one uncle is already carrying the camera too. So you can see that the next stanza, some 20-30 years later, she had laughed and snapshot see the Betty Dolly, and she say, I look how they dressed up with the beach, and the sea holiday was her fast. Mine her the laugher, both worried their labored seas of loss. The poet is already telling that now we can see that they were at 20-30 years in between, 20-30 years in between after they are already seen. It was a 12-year-old when they have taken the photo. After 20-30 years they were already seeing this. The poet is already seen this that time. The second stanza is telling that this line also showing the weather condition of the windy at the seashore. We can see that whenever we are walking along the seashore, always there may be wind. At the same time, those who are traveling there, their dresses and fly up. At the same time, their hair is also flying over there, smiling. And then we can see that the poet is already telling that when that poet is already seeing their face and expressing on their face his poet mothers and her cousins were that happiness and enjoyment. Their happiness and enjoyment we can see from this stanza, because they are already playing in the water, as well as their hair is also flying over their face, and their smile is also revealing that happiness and enjoyment. The mother was looking very pretty at that time. The photograph was taken long time. Everything has changed, but the mothers grow up. Now she is died. See, we can see that everything has changed, but now her mother is not there. Everything is already changed according to the time, but the mother is also changed. The mother is already died too. The third stanza is telling that now she been died nearly many years that girls lived, and there is circumstances and there is nothing to say, all silence and silence. We can say that now everything is already changed, many years already passed over. Then also that girl is lived in her mind, that photos, through the photos, and her mother is also living in her poetess mind, as well as the circumstances is already we can see say silent. आपको मालूम है, हम कोई व्यक्ति का जो घर पे कोई एक्सपायर हो गया, उनके घर पे जाने से साइलेंट से खड़ा रहेगा, उसी प्रकार वो भी साइलेंस ओनली साइलेंस, बिकॉज द मदर इज ऑलरेडी डाइड. वी कैन सी दैट the atmosphere, the poet recalls that nearly 12 years of the mother's her dead, and the poet left with no words expressing the loss and pain. We can say if it is we are going there, then we somebody's मर गए तो उसके घर पे जा रहे तो हम भी उधर खड़े होकर साइलेंट से खड़ा रहेगा, उसमें कोई भी वर्ड्स एक्सप्रेस करने का नहीं रहेगा. शी इज़ टोटली अब्सॉर्ब्ड इन मेमोरीज ऑफ हर मदर्स dead. Then painful silence of the situation leaves the poet speechless. The painful situation था, इसलिए पोएट को कुछ बोल नहीं पाया. तो उसी प्रकार साइलेंस caused by the death and making the atmosphere gloomy where no one is able to use any word. उधर किसी को भी एक शब्द बोलने का मौका नहीं है, एटमॉस्फियर नहीं है. इन लोग ग्लूमी से साड़ से खड़े हो रहे. दैट वाज द कंडीशन. So the poet is already telling that in this poem we can see that three important fact of this from this poem. हमको ये पोएम से तीन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स हमको देख सकता है. लाइफ इज़ अ टेम्पररी एंड रिमाइंडर दैट वी विल आर हियर फॉर ए शॉर्ट टाइम. हम शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए इधर जीने वाला है. इधर ये हमारा ज़िंदगी एक क्या है, लाइफ इज़ अ टेम्पररी ओनली, तत्काल के लिए है. ये हमको रिमाइंड करता है हम इधर शॉर्ट टाइम में जीने वाला है जिंदगी. देन डेथ इज़ ए रियलिटी. Second one is death is reality. It lives in a people and relatives that situation speechless and tries to bear pain and loss. हमको हमारा रिलेटिव्स फ्रेंड मदर्स कोई भी एक्सपर्ट हो गए तो हमको उधर कोई शब्द नहीं है बोलने का. हम ये पेनफुल सिचुएशन को हम सहन करते हैं, बियर करता है. इसका लॉस को हम स्पीचलेस सिचुएशन के रूप में रियलिटी मानता है. और अनदर थिंग, death is a reality. It leaves the people and relatives that situation is speechless and she try to bear the pain and loss. हमको ये मृत्यु और डेथ हमारे लिए एक रियलिटी है ज़िंदगी में. कोई भी जन्म हुआ तो उसको मरना पड़ेगा और इसे जीवन हमारा रिलेटिव्स है तो उसमें हमको पेन लगेगा, दुख लगेगा, लॉस होगा, उसके साथ हमारा स्पीचलेस भी लगेगा, शब्द भी नहीं रहेगा. इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द कीपिंग द फोटोग्राफ इज ब्रिंगिंग. अनदर थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ keeping the photograph is bringing the sweet memories of the past. If you are keeping your photograph now and after 10 years 15 years we are taking, then we will get somewhat sweet memories from that. Moreover, the people might changing their course of time, best memories will alive and the photograph are okay, sorry. The important things is that taking the preserving or keeping the photograph is also a highlighted here. It taking down the memory of last, and the picture is already showing that the photograph is already showing that gloomy and sadness. Moreover, it have might changes in course of time, but the memory is alive and it is an photograph is an eternal. We can see that poet is already telling that in this poem poet ऐसे बताता है कि फ़ोटोग्राफ हम आप लोग देखो, आपका LKG नर्सरी में जब ज्वाइन करा वही फ़ोटो आपका अभी देखने से आपको अपने आप हंसी आएगा. उसी प्रकार एक फ़ोटोग्राफ हमको बहुत सारे स्वीट मेमोरीज देते हैं. सब मेमोरी के अनुसार पोएट्स को बहुत साल बाद उनका मम्मी का फ़ोटोग्राफ मिला. उन मम्मी का एज 12 था, उसके साथ उनका 2 कसिन था. 2 कसिन का नाम है डोली और बेट्टी. एंड दोनों हाथ में पकड़कर खड़े होके दोनों साइड में शोर में खड़े हो रहे थे. उस टाइम पर एक अंकल साथ में था. अंकल कैमरा फोटोग्राफर था और ये फोटोग्राफर ने फ़ोटो लेते हुए और स्वीट मेमोरीज़ को अरोज करता है. ये फोटोग्राफ पिक्चर में ये पोएम में कभी इस प्रकार बताता है, फोटोग्राफ ऑलवेज गिविंग द sweet memories and that sweet memory is also giving some realities, and life is a temporary but the death is reality, and photograph keeping is one of the most important memories of our life. आपको समझ में आ गया ये चैप्टर? आपको रीड करना है, बार बार रीड करके कोई भी डाउट है तो टाइम पर पूछना है. ज़्यादा हार्डवर्ड इसमें नहीं है. हार्डवर्ड वाला है तो मैं आपको डाउटिंग टाइम पर, डाउट क्लियर करने का टाइम पर आपको क्लियर कर देंगे. ओके, थैंक्स.